Hi everyone, my name is Teo Kaizen. Today I'll walk you through the transport emissions module Java class, which calculates the CO2 emissions based on transport data. So the first class, transport emission module, extends emission. This class is called and it extends from the emissions class, meaning it inherits all the methods and variables from the parent class, and it's focused on calculating emissions caused by transportation. Next is the 7th line, public void calculate transport emission. This is the main method that performs the emission calculation based on user input and data from a file. It takes a scanner object to read input from the user. In the next few lines, system out print line, we start by prompting the user to select a fuel type. And the options are either petrol or diesel, and the selection is captured using scanner.nextIn, and we add scanner.nextLine to consume the new line character after the number. And this line here, system out print line, select vehicle type, and next we load vehicle data from a file, and the file contains emission factors for different vehicles. We read it line by line, filter by fuel type, and display matching vehicle types as options. If the file is missing, we show an error and exit. Next is, let me scroll. Enter your choice. Okay. After showing the vehicle types, we ask the user to choose one and enter the distance traveled in kilometers. Again, we use scanner.nextLine to handle new lines properly. And double emissions factor. Okay. So with all this code, we reread the file to find the selected vehicle and get its emission factor. We use the same filter by fuel type and match the correct option number. We convert the emission value from a string to a double. And if no emission factor was found, it means that the user choice was invalid. So we display an error and we stop. And then next is this line. We calculate the emissions in kilograms of CO2 by multiplying the emission factor with the distance and divide by 1000 to convert grams into kilograms. Lastly, this recurring trip feature. We then ask if this trip happens regularly. If yes, we ask how many times per month and multiply the emission. This helps the user estimate monthly CO2 emissions and total emissions. Finally, we store the total emissions into the total emission variable that is inherited from the parent class. That's all. Thank you very much.